What's up friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to the tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add a primer account on your booking admin portal. So as you can see, I'm on the admin portal here for booking, and in order to add a new primer account, you want to go ahead and click your profile on the upper right hand side, then click on primer accounts. Once you click on that, you'll have the option here to add primer account. So click on add primer accounts, and from here you can choose if it's existing user or new user. You can choose, and then you can enter the details here. So that's going to require the login name and the email address. And if it's a new user, again, you will need your name and you will need the email address to send the invite. Once you do that, you'll be able to add a primary account to it. Simply means that that person will be able to log in. And as you can see, it says that you can invite a new user to create an account or invite an existing user to promote their account to primary. So you can easily go ahead and add a new primary account by using one of these options that you have here. But that's it. Go ahead and choose whichever option you want and then send the invite, and from there they'll receive it in their email, guys, and once it's accepted, it will add the primary account for you, and that's it.